Hello everybody, welcome to Veena's Bharatnatyam. Today we will see Kudichu Metta Adavu. That means you need to jump and then you have to do the adavu. So let's see how it is done. In this step we will be using hand gestures as Katkamukha and Alapadma. The hand and the eyes are in same coordination, so wherever your hand goes, you need to look at your hands. And if it is going on the back, you need to look at the hands, and if it is coming back, you need to look straight. And if it is going down, you need to look down. When it is going up, you need to look up. That is where you look your gazes. Hand movements for step number 1 is Katakamukha. You need to have both the hands straight like this. Those who are beginners, you can just keep the hands straight, very straight, and if you can try to bring it a little here, this elbow straighten up a little, and then a slight twist. Katakamukha, both the hands straight, and then once it is done, you have Taiha, Tehi. So when you have Taiha, Katakamukha will turn into Alapadma. So it is Taiha, Tehi. So when you are doing the right side, you look at the right side. Likewise, the left side. So, ki ta ta ki taiha tehi taiha tehi. This much is done. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, from here you need to bring your hand straight like this. Katakamukha, you need to shift and you need to transform it into Alapadma. Taiha. And you need to bring it like this. Alapadma crossed. Taiha. And again bring it back. Tehi. Over here. Okay. That is your right side. That will be Taiha. Tehi. Taiha. Tehi. Right. To the left, same thing. Taiha. Tehi. Taiha. Tehi. Legs, it's a little different. We have Kudichu Metta Adavu. That means you need to jump. Okay, Kudi means jump. So we are going to jump here. Right? So when you are sitting, Aramandalam, you will need your both the legs like this in Aramandalam, and you need to jump. That will be, and then release. When you jump on your toes. So it will look like this. Tai, har, te. You have here, and you have to look straight, and then you have to tai, har, release, jump, release, jump, release. That is all you have to do is this. So you need to practice this, and this is the only leg throughout the adavu. For the first adavu, we will see how to do hands and legs together. Ki, ta, ta, ki, tai, ha, tehi, tai, ha, tehi, tai, ha, tehi, tai, ha, tehi. That is hands and legs together from both the sides. Now let's see how to do all the 3 speeds. Ki, ta, ta, ki, tai, ha, tehi, tai, ha, tehi, tai, ha, tehi, tai, ha, tehi. Ki, ta, ta, ki, tai, ha, tehi, tai, ha, Step 2 has hand gestures as Katakamukha, Alapadma, Tripataka. For second adavu, it is very simple. what you need to do is, you will have both the hands here in Kataka Mukha, straight both arms. The same, again my hand is a little still hurting, so just excuse my right hand. So again you need to take Kataka Mukha and it will transform into Ala Padma. So you need to bring your hands straight, a little, you can bring it straight or you can bring it a diagonal left. So when you are doing it towards the right side, you need to look at the left, sideways. Tai Har, Te Hi, Tai Har, Te Hi. That is your right side. Now for the left, it will be Tai Har, Te Hi, Tai Har, Te Hi. That's it. That's it for the hand gesture. Now let's do the hands and legs together. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Now you just have to do Tai Har, Te Hi, Tai Har, Te Hi. So we will do it like this. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Tai Har, Te Hi. Okay, now let's do all the three speeds. Ta, ta, ki. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Tai Har, Te Hi. 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 For the step number 3, the hands are a little different. That will be, you have to have your hands here in Kataka Mukha, both elbows up straight. You need to transform the Kataka Mukha into Ala Padma again. However, you have to take your hands on the back. That will be Tai Har, Te Hi. When you have your hands on the back, it has to be Ala Padma. Tai Har, Te Hi. Same to the left. Tai Har, Te Hi. From Kataka Mukha to Tripataka. Then you have to bring your hand down like this. Palms is facing straight. Tai Har, and then bring it up. Te Hi. Legs. Tai Har, Te Hi. Same to the left. Tai Har, Te Hi. When you are moving, you just make sure only the upper part is moving. Tai Har, Te Hi. Again, like upper part. This hand remains the same. Let's see the right side. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. That was the right side. Now the left side. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Tai Har, Te Hi. Now let's see the legs for the same. Now let's do hands and legs for the same. You have your hands in Kataka Mukha. You need to look towards the back on your right. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Tai Har. Bring it back. Te Hi. Same to the left. Tai Har. Te Hi. Now transform it into Tripataka. Tai That was your right side. Same to the left. Ki, ta, ta, ki. San, ha, se, hi. San, ha, se, hi. San, ha, se, hi. San, ha, se, hi. Let's do all the three speeds. Ki, ta, ta, ki. San, ha, se, hi. 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 Ki, ta, ta, ki. San, ha, se, hi. 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 San, ha, ki, ta. Now you need to bring your hand in the front in Katakamkaha and you have your elbows up. Now what you need to do is just transform the Katakamkaha to Anapadma. That will be Taiha. You need to go diagonally straight. The body should be a little straight to the side, diagonal, like this. Okay, and the left hand remains like this in Katakamkaha. Taiha, and then bring it back. Tehi, taiha, tehi. After this, you have to transform again the Katakamkaha to Alapadma. That will be taiha. Just a little move like this. That will be tai, tai. Again, you need to have your hands in diagonal, a little diagonal. Tai, tai, di, di, tai. Di, di, tai. That will be di. Bring it back from Alapadma to Katakamkaha and in the home position. Again, that is how the hand gesture is. Let me show you once again. It will be ki, ta, ta, ki. Taiha, tehi, taiha, tehi. This much is okay. Tai, tai, didhi, tai. Tai, tai, didhi, tai. Alright, same to the left. Taiha, tehi, taiha, tehi, tai, tai, didhi, tai. Let's see the legs for the same. For this adult, the leg is a little different. It is just the same for when you are like taiha, tehi. That will be taiha, tehi. Okay, taiha, tehi. After that, you need to bring your left leg and swastika on the back. Okay, again, tai. Left you need to one beat, tai, and there is di, hi, tai. Tai, ha, te, hi, tai, tai, di, hi, tai. Left side, tai, ha, te, hi, tai, swastika, tai, di, hi, tai. Now, tai, tai, di, tai is a little fast mode. Otherwise, taiha, tehi, taiha, tehi, tai, tai, didhi, tai. That's how the talam goes. Let's see both hands and legs together. Ki, ta, ta, ki, taiha, tehi. ta ta ki sai say say let's see all the three speeds. Ki ta ta ki say 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 Well, that was Kuditha Metta Adavu for you. Please do practice it. I'm Veena Nair. See you next time. Bye.